with its own sovereignty. This is a two sovereign state solution that Bangladesh Kalyan Party believes is workable, likely to be workable, and likely to survive. We believe that enough of torture, oppression, genocide has been carried out on the people of Palestine. We protest seriously, severely, in all language, in all dimensions. No genocide is welcome from us. The Constitution of the People's Republic of Bangladesh says that Bangladesh will always stand beside oppressed people, any section of the people, anywhere in the world. Bangladesh itself has gained its own independence after a bloody war of liberation, a bloodbath war for 9 months, 266 days. And I, the chairman of Bangladesh Kalyan Party, is a freedom fighter, a lieutenant of Pakistan Army in 1971, who revolted against Pakistan Army along with the battalion, the 2nd East Bengal Regiment. We therefore believe that the aspirations of the people of Palestine must be honored. We would like to end our comments here by calling upon all sensible people of the world, all people of the world who have any bit, any iota, even an iota of common sense and humanitarian feeling, to work towards the stopping of genocide in Palestine. My language in English, my language in Bangla will fail to describe our feelings on the genocide. I particularly thank Mufti Rashid al-Islam, who is a teacher of an English medium school in Dhaka city. The name of the school is Spectrum, who spent 6 minutes time summarizing the speech of the main paper writer in Arabic. And I thank Dr. Riyadul Islam Riyaz for summarizing the entire discussion at the end of the day in Arabic language in about 8 minutes time. Not last but not the least, I must thank Mr. Asad Parvez, the author of 9 books, and only one of them is in my left hand. This book that is in my left hand is called, in Bangla language, Philistiner Buke Israel. He is the author of this book, and he has written an excellent paper in Bangla language, but because of the shortage of time and to honor the patience of the audience, he spent only 15 minutes in summarizing his own paper. Inshallah, sometime in future, again we'll see. As chairman of Bangladesh Kalyan Party, I thank my own party workers and leaders who have contributed their hard work, their financial support, their time to organize this meeting. Finally, I would like to take leave of the audience, particularly the respected ulama, respected religious leaders, who have shown a very rare event of getting together on one subject. Thank you very much. In Bangla, we used to say Bangladesh Zindabad. We also say Bangladesh Chirojibi Hok. In English, let Bangladesh live long. Long live Bangladesh. আমি আপনাদের কাছ থেকে বিদায় নিচ্ছি। আসসালামু আলাইকুম। বাংলাদেশ কল্যাণ পার্টি বা অন্যরা অনেকেই বলেছেন বাংলাদেশ জিন্দাবাদ। আমি দুটাই বলবো, বাংলাদেশ জিন্দাবাদ, বাংলাদেশ চিরজীবী হোক। আমি এখন অনুরোধ করছি আপনারা ধৈর্য ধরে বসবেন। আগামী 5 থেকে 6 মিনিট নিজের চেয়ার থেকে অনুগ্রহপূর্বক নড়বেন না।